Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Alex back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the new OnePlus 8 Pro and 8. So the event is going to be on April 14th. So today's March 31st. So give or take a few. It's about 2 weeks from now. So this is really exciting to see. Actually, so everyone last year, they picked the OnePlus 7 Pro as their phone of the year, so is the 8 Pro going to be their phone of the year? We'll see. So, something I have to, well, I really like the OnePlus 7 Pro actually, and I'm really excited to see the camera, honestly. So we've got Samsung at the top, Apple at the top with the 11 Pro camera, because that was the best iPhone camera. We've got Google at the top, we've got all those three at the top, and we got OnePlus. Now, I think OnePlus's camera's not bad. It's definitely not bad. It's actually really good, but I'm really excited to see the camera and see what OnePlus did to compete with the Samsungs. I mean, OnePlus's camera was great on the 7 Pro. I've used it before. It was great. Now, if you're looking to pick up a 7 Pro, definitely, I mean, if you need those, you don't need those fancy colors. I mean, I do tech videos, so obviously I'd pick up the new one, but that's just me. But you definitely don't need to pick up the new one when it comes out. If you have a 7 Pro, you don't need the fancy new colors. I can assume the processor is going to be pretty similar to the 7T's processor. Like, I'm pretty sure it'll be similar. I'm pretty sure some stuff will be similar. I mean, I doubt we'll see. I've seen some really good colors though. The green, that glow color, it's pretty good. It's not bad. And I'm really looking forward to the event. Definitely, it's a live stream, so they're going to be live streaming the event. This should be really interesting. Now, the OnePlus 7T came in Glacier Blue, which was the best color for that. So it doesn't look like we're going to be seeing like a blue color. We're going to be seeing this like Aurora Glow, which is Samsung's name, like this like flow color. This should be really interesting. I'm actually quite excited to see that. Now, I mean, we'll see though, but that OnePlus 7T or 7T Pro McLaren edition, that thing, the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition, that thing was going for $900 when it came out. Now, am I saying it should be $900? I don't know, but I'm really excited that I'm actually really interested since they removed the pop-up camera. I know this sounds ridiculous, but I'm actually happy they removed the pop-up camera because I feel like that was sort of like a gimmick, maybe. But overall, I think that the pop-up camera was good. Now, I think the pop-up camera was a really good feature for the time, but no other company is doing a pop-up camera, which made it really cool that OnePlus was the only company doing the pop-up camera. I thought that was really interesting. Now that they removed it and they did like a little like hole punch design, sort of like a Samsung S10 design in the corner. I'm just really excited to see how that'll work and stuff. And overall, I think some of this stuff will be pretty similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro and 7T, but are they going to do another McLaren edition? Probably. I don't see why they wouldn't, since they're known for that, and it comes with a nice charger, but $900 for the McLaren edition, when you're charging less for the regular version. I mean, yes, it's a limited edition version. I'd say it should be like $800. I mean, Google was trying to get $900 for the Pixel 4, which was, now I'm not saying I hate the Pixel 4, but they should have charged a little less. But this is a OnePlus video. We're talking about the OnePlus. So the event is then, and I'm overall really excited for the event. Should I live stream it though? Should I live stream the event and then have my reactions at the end, or just do a video after the live stream is over? Tell me what you guys think. Which one of those two options? Live stream the event and go over reactions once the event ends, or just make a whole separate video doing my thoughts and reactions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please subscribe.